My first day of just arriving at the Five Senses Sanctuary. This is a gorgeous location. Look at this. This is my entry into the sanctuary. I think there's my friend. Look at this. Good morning. Good, how are you? Yes, you will. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. Just stunning, right? This is the entrance into Five Senses Sanctuary. Just wow. Here, let's see. There we go. Can't even get a wide enough view of what this is. It's about as wide as it gets. Such a stunning location.
So, thank you very much for joining my last session at this Al-Ula Wellness Festival. I'm so honored to be here at this place with every one of you. I hope to see you all somewhere someday in the future. I'm so happy to be here. Thank you again.
So I'm just finishing my first day here at the Wellness Festival, the Al-Ula Wellness Festival. It's been a better experience than I could have imagined. The place is stunning and powerful and just beautiful. And I took a holistic mental health workshop. I did an African dance workshop. One guy from Africa actually convinced me to do his yoga class. I said, I'm really a beginner. And he said, yeah, there's moves for everybody. It was intense. Whew. But I did that too. And then I just had a sound healing and talking to people that are also interested in what I do. And I'd love to be able to help women here to break through the programming that's been with them for so long. And I've been able to meet other women that are from here and have already started breaking through, and they're doing their best to reach other women. So we're already looking at collaborating. It's a very exciting time. I'm very passionate about this. I feel like I've got some great tools that could help women here to break out of the boundaries of that programming. I mean, we've all been programmed to a certain degree, but some people in a more intense and thorough way than others. And so I'd love to be a part of that change. But I'm going to show you a little bit of this place because it's just past sunset, but it is gorgeous. The full moon is just about here. This is one of my new friends here. And there is the full moon. That's one of my new friends. And here's one of the locations. Say hi. This is one of my new friends here.
Hi.
She's also on Insta, so we'll have to make sure that we tag her in this post. And she's one of the ladies I was just telling you about. And so we're looking at collaborating. Beautiful woman, beautiful location, just wow. Here's some more of this beautiful place. This is the dining area. Delicious food. If you ever come here, this is the Five Senses Sanctuary. You should come. It's amazing. And then look what is around us. Oh my gosh. I mean, just spectacular. Let me see if I can. It's hard to. We're doing a little bit of a course right now.
When you do the breath work, you should breathe in, breathe out through your mouth. You're gonna be more like your mind, the thinking mind, go away. Because when I breathe in through your nose, the air goes into breath. So you still be conscious because the air comes into this way.
So Now we get to do some cool static dance for 40 minutes with this landscape. burger. A burger joint. And it's a food truck on the other side of this. It's pretty incredible. Look at this. Wow. So cool. That is just stunning. This is spectacular. Just wow. Elephant Rock. Do you see the elephant? This is Elephant Rock.